Welcome to Knowledgebase videos, where we uncover the secrets of the natural world and explore the lives of its most extraordinary creatures. Today, we embark on an incredible journey to learn about one of nature's most majestic animals, the elephant. In this exploration, we will journey into the world of elephants. We will uncover their unique traits and social structures. We will learn about the challenges they face in a changing world. Most importantly, we will discover how we can help secure their future. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth, belonging to the family Elephantidae. These magnificent creatures are known for their intelligence, complex social structure, and incredible strength. Found primarily in Africa and Asia, elephants are a symbol of wisdom and power. But what makes them so unique? Let's dive deeper. These gentle giants are more than just a sight to behold. They play a vital role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystem. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be amazed by the incredible story of elephants. Elephants are herbivores, consuming up to 300 pounds of vegetation daily. They can weigh between 4,000 to 14,000 pounds, depending on the species. Elephants are known for their long lifespan, living up to 70 years in the wild. They are magnificent creatures. They roam the savannas of Africa and the forests of Asia. These gentle giants capture our imagination. They are the largest land animals on Earth. The sight of an elephant is unforgettable. Their size is humbling. Their wrinkled skin tells stories of a long life. They have a powerful presence. They deserve our respect and protection. They play a vital role in their ecosystems. They are essential for maintaining biodiversity. These intelligent animals shape their environment. Their presence ensures the health of countless other species. There are 3 recognized species of elephants. At first, we talk about African savanna elephant, scientifically named as Loxodonta africana. These are the largest species with large ears shaped like the African continent. The largest land animal on Earth roams the wide open plains of sub-Saharan Africa. These magnificent creatures can weigh up to 14,000 pounds and can reach heights of 10 to 13 feet at the shoulder. These elephants are found across sub-Saharan Africa, living in open savannas, woodlands, and grasslands. Unlike their forest cousins, the African savanna elephant thrives in these vast open spaces where food and water can be scarce, yet their impressive size makes them a dominant force in their habitat. One of the key features that sets the African savanna elephant apart from the forest elephant is its large fan-shaped ears. These ears are not only a striking physical characteristic, but also an essential adaptation. The veins in the ears help regulate body temperature by releasing heat, keeping the elephants cool as they navigate the hot, dry landscape. Next is African forest elephant, scientifically known as Loxodonta cyclotis. In the deep, shadowy heart of Africa's rainforests, another giant roams, one that is more elusive and smaller than its savanna cousin. Meet the true marvel of the forest. Unlike the African savanna elephant, the forest elephant is smaller and has more rounded ears. These adaptations help it navigate the dense, tangled underbrush of the rainforest, where space is limited and every movement matters. Found primarily in the rainforests of Central and West Africa, these elephants play a crucial role in maintaining the health of their environment. By dispersing seeds as they travel, they help to regenerate the forest, promoting the growth of trees and maintaining the biodiversity that thrives beneath the canopy. And last but not the least, Asian elephant, scientifically named as Elephas maximus. In the forests and grasslands of South and Southeast Asia, these majestic and intelligent creature roams, the Asian elephant. While smaller than its African cousins, this gentle giant is no less important to the landscapes it inhabits. Unlike the African elephant, the Asian elephant has smaller, rounded ears. These ears still help regulate body temperature, but it's their unique shape that helps them better navigate the dense forests and jungles of their home. Asian elephants are known for their strong family bonds. They live in tight-knit herds, often led by the eldest female, who is the matriarch. The herd is protective and nurturing, with mothers and older females helping to care for the young, teaching them the ways of the world. Across the vast landscapes of Africa and Asia, elephants reign as the giants of the animal kingdom. Whether on the open plains of the savannah, within the depths of Africa's rainforests, or in the lush jungles of Asia, these magnificent creatures share remarkable food habits, unique body features, and special abilities that help them thrive. Elephants are herbivores, meaning they feed exclusively on plant material. However, their diet is diverse and varies by habitat. The African savanna elephant, Loxodonta africana, forages for grasses, fruits, tree bark and shrubs. With their large size, they require up to 300 pounds of food each day to sustain their massive bodies. In contrast, the African forest elephant, Loxodonta cyclotis, prefers a diet of softer vegetation, such as fruits, leaves and bark found in the dense rainforests. These elephants are more agile in navigating the dense forest floor, where food is plentiful but hard to reach. The Asian elephant, Elephas maximus, shares some similarities in diet with its African cousins, but also enjoys a wider range of crops, particularly in agricultural regions. They feed on grasses, fruits, leaves, and even crops like rice and sugarcane, which sometimes leads to conflict with farmers. A key feature that all elephants share is their extraordinary trunk, a multifunctional tool that is essential for feeding. With over 40,000 muscles, an elephant's trunk acts as both a hand and a hose. Elephants use their trunks to grasp food, suck up water, and even dust themselves to stay cool. Elephant tusks, which are elongated incisor teeth, are another vital body part. In all three species, tusks are used to strip bark from trees, dig for minerals, and sometimes for defense. They also play a role in their social interactions, with males using their tusks to assert dominance during fights. Elephants also have incredible communication abilities, using both vocal sounds and infrasound, low-frequency rumbles that travel for miles. This is especially crucial for African elephants living in vast savannas and forests, where they must communicate with other members of their herd or distant family groups. The large fan-like ears of the African savanna elephant and the smaller, rounder ears of the African forest elephant serve more than just a sensory purpose. They are crucial for thermoregulation. The blood vessels in the ears help to release excess body heat, keeping the elephants cool in the hot climates they inhabit. In the Asian elephant, smaller ears serve a similar function, although they are adapted to the more humid, tropical environments of their home. Elephants are also known for their intelligence, memory, and problem-solving skills. Their large brains allow them to navigate complex environments, remember migration routes, and interact with humans in unique ways, such as assisting in forestry, or even being trained for ceremonial and religious purposes in certain cultures. Elephants' ability to adapt to different environments is matched by the way they interact with human communities. In some places like Thailand or India, elephants have been historically used in rituals, labor, and even tourism, where their physical strength and intelligence are revered. Asian elephants have long been used for logging in parts of Southeast Asia due to their strength and ability to carry heavy loads through the dense forest. This historical bond between humans and elephants has shaped both cultures and the elephants' roles in human societies. Despite their grandeur, all elephants face significant threats from habitat destruction, poaching for ivory, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these incredible animals and preserve the ecosystems they help maintain. Efforts to curb poaching, protect habitats, and reduce conflicts with farmers are critical to ensuring a future for elephants. From their remarkable trunks to their powerful tusks and keen memories, elephants are truly nature's giants. Their unique abilities not only make them fascinating but also indispensable to the health of our planet's ecosystems. By protecting them, we protect the future of the wild. These majestic animals are herbivores. They spend most of their day eating. Their diet consists mainly of grasses, leaves, and fruits. An adult elephant can consume up to 300 pounds of food in a single day. These impressive animals are incredibly strong. An African bush elephant can weigh up to 6 tons. That's heavier than a bus. Despite their size, elephants are surprisingly agile, and elephants' trunks are a combination of their nose and upper lip, capable of lifting objects up to 700 pounds. It's a versatile tool used for eating, drinking, and communicating. Memory and intelligence. Known for their exceptional memory, elephants can recognize individuals and recall migration routes even after decades. Their intelligence rivals that of dolphins and great apes. Communication. Elephants communicate through low-frequency rumbles and seismic vibrations that can travel long distances. Elephant tusks. These elongated incisors are used for digging, stripping bark, and as weapons of defense. Unfortunately, their tusks also make them a target for illegal hunters, quickly when necessary. They have complex emotions and social interactions. These gentle giants display empathy and compassion for each other. They even grieve for their dead. Elephants have an average lifespan of 60 to 70 years in the wild. This is similar to humans. However, threats like poaching and habitat loss are putting their populations at risk. We must act now to protect these magnificent creatures. Africa is home to 2 distinct species of elephants, the African forest elephant and the African savanna elephant. These magnificent creatures, though sharing a common lineage, have evolved unique characteristics that suit their respective habitats. The African forest elephant and the African savanna elephant are both integral to the biodiversity of the continent, each playing a crucial role in their ecosystems. While they share a common ancestor, they have adapted to different environments, leading to variations in their size, morphology, and social behavior. The African forest elephant, for instance, is generally smaller and more elusive, perfectly suited for life in the dense, shadowy rainforests. In contrast, the African savanna elephant is larger and more social, thriving in the vast open landscapes of the savanna. The African forest elephant, as its name suggests, inhabits the dense rainforests of Central and West Africa. These forests are rich in biodiversity, providing a complex and challenging environment for the forest elephant to navigate. Their smaller size and more compact body structure allow them to move with agility through the thick undergrowth. Smaller than its savanna cousin, the forest elephant is superbly adapted to navigating the dense undergrowth. Their tusks are straighter and thinner, which helps them maneuver through the forest and access food sources that are otherwise difficult to reach. They have straighter tusks, which are used to dig for minerals and clear paths. These tusks are not just tools for survival, but also play a role in shaping the forest environment as they create pathways and clearings that other animals use. The African savanna elephant, the largest of all elephant species, roams the open grasslands and woodlands of sub-Saharan Africa. These vast landscapes provide ample space for their large herds to move and graze. Their size and strength are well suited to the open terrain where they can travel long distances in search of food and water. Their larger size and broader ears help them regulate body temperature in the hot climate. The large ears act as radiators, dissipating heat and keeping the elephants cool under the scorching sun. This adaptation is crucial for their survival in the often harsh and arid conditions of the savanna. Their curved tusks, often exceeding 6 feet in length, are used for defense, digging, and stripping bark from trees. These tusks are not only formidable weapons, but also essential tools for accessing food and water, which can be scarce in the savanna. Both African elephant species are vital to their ecosystems. They play a key role in maintaining the ecological balance, from creating clearings that allow new plants to grow to dispersing seeds that help regenerate the forest and savanna. They create clearings in the forest, disperse seeds, and dig water holes that benefit other animals. These activities are essential for the health of their habitats, supporting a wide range of other species and promoting biodiversity. Their survival is intricately linked to the health and balance of the African landscape. Protecting these majestic creatures is not just about preserving a species, it's about maintaining the intricate web of life that supports countless other organisms. The future of Africa's forests and savannas depends on the well-being of these gentle giants. Asian elephants, keepers of ancient forests. Asian elephants, found across the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia, are slightly smaller than their African counterparts. They play a crucial role in maintaining the health of their forest habitats, acting as gardeners, engineers, and seed dispersers. Asian elephants possess several distinctive features. They have smaller ears, a more domed head, and often only the males have tusks. Their trunk, with a single finger-like projection at the tip, is incredibly dexterous, capable of picking up small objects like blades of grass. These intelligent animals have long been revered in Asian cultures. They are symbols of strength, wisdom, and good fortune. Historically, Asian elephants were domesticated and used in logging and religious ceremonies. Sadly, Asian elephant populations are declining due to habitat loss, human-elephant conflict, and poaching. Protecting their remaining habitat and promoting coexistence with humans are crucial for their survival. Elephant adaptations. Elephants are equipped with a range of incredible adaptations that help them thrive in diverse environments, from the African savanna to the dense Asian forests. Their unique physical traits, like the versatile trunk, large ears, and powerful tusks, enable them to forage, communicate, and navigate their habitats with remarkable efficiency. These adaptations not only support their survival, but also play a vital role in the ecosystems they inhabit. Let's explore the fascinating ways elephants have evolved to become true giants of the wild. The elephant's trunk is one of nature's most remarkable survival tools, a multifunctional appendage with over 40,000 muscles. It serves as both a hand and a hose, showcasing its incredible versatility. Elephants use their trunks to feed, plucking leaves, grass, and fruits from trees or the ground. When thirsty, they suck up to 8 liters of water into their trunks and squirt it into their mouths. The trunk also plays a crucial role in social interactions, as elephants greet, communicate, and comfort each other with gentle touches. Beyond communication, they can manipulate objects using their trunks to move, throw, or even create tools. Additionally, in the heat, they cool off by spraying water over their bodies, a vital way to regulate temperature in hot environments. The trunk's diversity of functions makes it an indispensable asset for elephants in the wild. Elephants' large ears play a crucial role in both cooling their bodies and communicating with others. These ears, packed with blood vessels, help regulate temperature by releasing heat when elephants flap them, providing a natural cooling system, especially in the heat of the day. Beyond temperature regulation, elephants use their ears for non-verbal communication. The position of their ears can convey emotions, signaling aggression, curiosity, or calmness to others. There are also size differences between elephant species. African savanna elephants have larger, fan-shaped ears that help dissipate heat in the open savanna, while Asian elephants have smaller, rounder ears, suited for the tropical forests they inhabit. Forest elephants, living in dense rainforests, have even smaller ears, which help them navigate through the thick foliage. Elephants' tusks are elongated incisors that grow continuously throughout their lives, serving a variety of essential functions. Primarily, they are tools for foraging, allowing elephants to strip bark from trees, dig for water, and uproot vegetation, especially during times of food scarcity. Tusks also play a role in defense and social interactions. Males often use their tusks in battles for dominance and mating rights, while tusks can also act as a sign of health and strength. Elephants with larger tusks are typically seen as more dominant, signaling their prowess to others in the herd. Elephants possess the largest brains of any land animal, and their highly developed intelligence and memory are crucial for their survival. Known for their incredible long-term memory, elephants can recall the locations of water sources, migration routes, and safe spaces, which is vital for their survival in the wild. The matriarch, usually the oldest female, leads the herd, guiding them based on her extensive knowledge. Elephants are also skilled problem solvers, capable of using tools and overcoming complex challenges. In captivity, they've been observed lifting heavy objects, unlocking gates, and even painting. Their strong social structures and family bonds further enhance their survival, with the matriarch offering guidance on finding food and water and protecting the younger members of the herd. Elephants' thick skin, which can be up to 2.5 centimeters, 1 inch thick, serves as a vital protection against predators, environmental challenges, and the sun. It shields them from insects, rough terrain, and harmful sun exposure, though it remains sensitive in certain areas, such as around the eyes, ears, and trunk. Despite its thickness, elephant skin can still lead to overheating, so they frequently wallow in mud or water. This behavior not only helps cool them down, but also creates a protective layer of mud on their skin, guarding against sunburn and insect bites. Elephants' enormous size is a key adaptation that helps protect them from predators and grants them access to valuable resources. Their sheer size makes adult elephants nearly invulnerable to most predators, with lions, crocodiles, and other threats typically targeting only the young, weak, or injured. This size advantage also allows elephants to access food and water sources that are out of reach for smaller animals. They can knock down trees or uproot shrubs to obtain food and travel long distances to find water, ensuring their survival in challenging environments. Elephants' feet and legs are crucial adaptations that support their massive weight and enable their mobility across diverse environments. Their feet have thick, padded soles that evenly distribute their weight, preventing strain on their joints and muscles. The toes are spread out and covered with a thick, leathery cushion, providing additional stability. These adaptations also reflect their habitats. The African savanna elephant's feet are designed for the dry, flat terrain of the savanna, while the Asian elephant has more flexible feet suited to the wet and sometimes muddy conditions of tropical forests. Elephants have a specialized digestive system that enables them to extract as many nutrients as possible from the large volumes of plant material they consume. Their multi-chambered stomach allows them to break down tough plant fibers, but the system is not highly efficient, often leading to the passage of undigested material. To meet their nutritional needs, elephants must consume vast quantities of food each day, sometimes up to 300 pounds. Their grazing habits also play a key role in shaping the ecosystems they inhabit, as by consuming large amounts of vegetation, they help maintain the balance of plant species in their habitats. Elephants' wallowing behavior in mud or water serves several important purposes. First, it helps regulate their body temperature, providing relief from the intense heat, especially under the African sun. The mud also acts as a protective layer, shielding their skin from sunburn and preventing insect bites. Beyond its physical benefits, wallowing is a social activity. Young elephants often play in the mud, and the herd engages in mutual grooming and bonding during these moments, reinforcing their social connections and group cohesion. See, these adaptations honed over millions of years of evolution have allowed elephants to thrive in diverse environments. From the savannas of Africa to the forests of Asia, elephants have adapted to a wide range of habitats, showcasing their incredible resilience and versatility. Understanding these adaptations deepens our appreciation for these magnificent creatures and the importance of protecting them. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the wonders of elephants and their unique adaptations. Elephants are deeply social creatures, and their family structure is central to their survival and well-being. At the heart of elephant society is the matriarch, the oldest and most experienced female, who leads the herd with wisdom and guidance. The matriarch's role is crucial in navigating the challenges of the wild, such as finding water, food and shelter, and protecting the herd from threats. Matriarchs are the backbone of elephant herds. With decades of life experience, they possess an incredible memory, which they use to recall vital knowledge about migration routes, seasonal changes, and the locations of watering holes and food sources. This wisdom is passed down to the younger generations, ensuring the herd's survival, especially in harsh conditions. In times of drought or scarcity, the matriarch leads the herd to safe places, with access to resources, making decisions that affect the entire family. This leadership is not only about survival, it's also about maintaining social harmony within the group. The matriarch guides the herd to food and water sources, protects the young, and passes down her knowledge to future generations. Her role is not just about leadership, but also about nurturing and teaching the younger elephants the skills they need to survive. These family groups, consisting of related females and their calves, are incredibly close. The bonds between them are strengthened through daily interactions, mutual care, and shared experiences. Elephants communicate with each other through vocalizations, body language, and even through the ground via infrasound, low-frequency rumbles that can travel long distances. This allows the matriarch to stay in contact with distant members of the herd and coordinate movements. The strength of family bonds is also evident in times of distress or danger. If a member of the herd is threatened, the rest of the group will rally together to protect it, often forming a protective circle around the youngest or most vulnerable. Male elephants typically leave the herd between the ages of 12 and 15. This departure marks a significant transition in their lives, as they move from the safety and support of the family group to a more solitary existence. They live solitary lives or form loose bachelor groups. These bachelor groups provide a social structure for young males where they can learn from each other and establish their own hierarchies. Elephant herds are typically made up of related females, their calves, and sometimes other close relatives. The bond between a mother and her calf is especially strong, with calves remaining with their mothers for many years, learning essential skills and behaviors. Young males typically leave the herd when they reach adolescence, either to live alone or form loose bachelor groups. The entire herd works together to care for the young, protect the vulnerable, and maintain social cohesion. Older females help raise the calves, and even young elephants are involved in looking after each other, showing the deep sense of family within the herd. Males rejoin female herds only during mating season. This temporary reunion is crucial for the continuation of the species, as it allows for genetic diversity and the birth of new calves. The strong social bonds within elephant families are crucial for their survival. These bonds provide emotional support, help in raising the young, and ensure that the herd can work together to overcome challenges. They provide protection from predators, support during times of stress, and ensure the transmission of vital knowledge from one generation to the next. The wisdom of the elders, the strength of the adults, and the curiosity of the young all contribute to the resilience and continuity of elephant society. The close-knit family structure of elephants is vital to their survival. It ensures that the knowledge of the elders is passed down, that calves are nurtured and protected, and that the herd can rely on each other in times of need. The leadership of the matriarch and the cooperation within the family unit reflect the emotional intelligence and complex social lives of these magnificent creatures. Elephants are a marvel of nature, with each species, African savanna elephant, African forest elephant, and Asian elephant, exhibiting unique adaptations that help them survive in their respective habitats. From their trunk and tusks to their remarkable memory and social bonds, these adaptations have allowed elephants to thrive for millions of years. Their complex behaviors, physical traits, and ecological importance make them vital to the ecosystems they inhabit. And understanding these adaptations helps us better appreciate their role in the natural world and the need to protect them. Elephants play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. As keystone species, they shape their environments in ways that benefit many other animals. By grazing on vast amounts of vegetation, elephants prevent the overgrowth of certain plant species, which helps maintain diverse plant life and opens up space for other species to thrive. Their ability to knock down trees or uproot shrubs creates pathways in dense forests, facilitating movement for other animals and encouraging biodiversity. Additionally, elephants dig for water, which can benefit other wildlife during dry spells. However, elephants face significant threats from poaching, habitat loss, and human-wildlife conflict. Their tusks are highly sought after, and as human populations expand, elephants are losing their habitats and facing increasing pressure from agricultural and urban development. Protecting elephants is vital, not only for their survival, but for the health of the ecosystems they help sustain. Conservation efforts must focus on protecting their natural habitats, combating poaching, and fostering human-elephant coexistence to ensure these magnificent creatures continue to thrive and contribute to the natural world. Elephants are more than just majestic creatures. They are guardians of the wild and symbols of nature's resilience. But their future depends on us. We must fight against illegal hunting, support conservation efforts, and spread awareness about their importance. So what can you do to help? Support organizations dedicated to protecting elephants, avoid products made from ivory, and educate others about their plight. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of elephants, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Knowledgebase videos for more fascinating insights into the natural world. Together, we can make a difference. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and join us in uncovering the wonders of our planet.